Sir, where you come from in America?
I got married here. I'm an American citizen.
Do you have a passport?
Passport? No, officer. I just used my charm for border crossings. Customs officers call it a certified risk card.
Oh, man, that's great. A certified risk.
Are you kidding me? Drop it! Drop the gun! Give me that! Hey, let go!
Off it! Get the... Easy, boy, easy! But you... stay with me, stay! Easy, big man, easy! Whoa, hold! Breathe, buddy, breathe!
Soaps are shining, I'm feeling